Hey guys, in today's video we will be cleaning our fish tank and I'm gonna show you exactly the step-by-step process how I'm gonna do it. I start my cleaning by clearing all stuff on the top of my fish tank. As you can see, I have plenty of plants on top of my fish tank. These plants are actually a variety of money plants, so I'm gonna take all that up and then I'm gonna take it away and put it together. Since they have long roots, I prefer to keep my plants on inside the sink sideways so that it won't get damaged. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these magnetic scrubbers. They're so sticky and it's so helpful to clean the fish tank from inside and from outside at the same time. So I'm just gonna clean it really quick. These are the tools we're gonna use it to clean the fish tank. First of all, we got that pipe that we use to take out water from the fish tank, and we also got a small net which we can actually use it to either take out the fish or clear any rubbish that is floating on the top. And we got a metal scrubber which we can use it to clean the glasses if anything else is stuck it to the wall of the fish tank. And we got a kitchen scrubber as well. So we're just gonna use all of these tools and we're gonna clean our fish tank. First, we'll be using this kitchen scrubber to clean inside and outside of the fish tank. Now that the cleaning is done, the next step is to drain all the water through the pipe. We have drained the fish tank and we cleaned it. Now it's time to fill the good water. I'm using the same tube that I used to empty the fish tank. So I'm gonna put some clear water in the bucket and then I'm gonna use that same thing to fill this fish tank with good water. So we have cleaned our fish tank and we filled fish tank with good water. Now it's time to rearrange and bring back all the plants we taken away from the fish tank. So I'm just gonna bring all the plants in and then I'm gonna arrange it really well. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video.